one's a bit tough to get in. Yeah. Right, I think what I'm going to do is get the clamps out and see if I can sort this out a bit better. A little bit. Right, see if I can get that. That's, see how it's come here. See how it's nipping up.
Let me take it back off.
Look at that, see how it nips it up as I tighten it. It's marrying it up that hopefully, just there, so it's getting a nice connection. Right, so we're finished. It's all in. It's nice and flush. We've tested her, filled her up, working brilliant, nice and warm. But, oh yeah, there's no but. It's gone in nicely, it was easy enough with my C-clamp things that I got. What was he up to? Yeah, so we'll just put the cover back on. The cover did break coming off. I did mess up there. This cover here, it goes over there like that. There's a nut or bolt, one of them Mexican, what do you call it, torque bolts. And it's right up there. Good Ayala's like found it. Anyways, I was trying to prise this back to see where it was. It snapped. So, anyway, my cover's broke. But yeah, we've got the job done anyway. Nice one. So, if you like that, you want more, subscribe and like. Thank you.